Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. In this video you will see this car, my custom Baja project with the 45cc engine running for the very first time. I was very excited yesterday to start it for the very first time. Of course I had to check it out if it even runs, because you never know. It's still a Chinese cheap engine, but I was very surprised and happy to report that it started very easy in maybe like 5 pulls or something. I always do like 3 or 4 slow pulls to get some gas running, and then I think I started in like 5 pulls. It was very easy to start anyway. So that was a big surprise, a big relief, because I found some other guys online who had some problems with starting this engine, but well, I can say that it started very easily. More on this project to come. I still have a lot of upgrade parts to install, but for now, well, you see the Rovan sim steer unit, and I have some very thick steering rods here. This is a Uber RC triple stage air filter. This is the stock carb which comes on the Rovan 45cc engine. It's the Bigbore 1191, I think. It's a big bore carb. I think it's made for 36cc engines and up. Rovan sells these engines with this carb stock normally. For the pipe, this is my Victory RC Bigbore pipe. I had this pipe lying around at home. It's a normal pipe for 32cc engines and up, but it's got a huge diameter here. So I thought this should be the pipe that I'm going to use for this 45cc engine project, this custom Baja. The only problem is, of course, that the exhaust port on these 45cc engines is bigger than the stock 23, 26, 29, 30.5 and 32cc engines from Zenoa. So this is the stock header that comes with the Victory pipe, but this is too small for the 45cc engine. So a friend of mine came to the rescue and he made me this custom header pipe with a larger exhaust header. So now it fits onto this pipe, and I'm very curious if it runs great. I am going to restore this pipe so it looks better, because it's very rusty, as you can see. Going to restore it completely, making these weld seams and everything like new. So that's it for now. Let's go to the video where you can see the car running for the very first time. I am doing some idling to break in the engine. So enjoy and see you in the next one. Bye bye.